Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your availability here in Calendly. So first, after you log in, you want to go to the left sidebar and then click on availability. And you will see here there is already a default schedule that is set up, which is the working hours. But you can, of course, make another schedule. Let's say, for example, your school schedule, the schedule of your classes, and so on. And over here at the bottom, you can also change the time zone according to your own time zone. And then you can already set up the hours per day over here. So let's say, for example, on Mondays, I am available for meetings on between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. since those are the working hours. And then on Sunday, I am unavailable since it is my day off, right? And then on Tuesday, let's say that instead of 5 p.m., my working hours is only up until 3 p.m. So I'm going to put 3 p.m. over there. And this schedule that you're going to set up here is your weekly schedule, which is a fixed schedule, but you can also adjust hours for specific days. So let's just click on hours. So let's say, for example, that on Wednesday, July 30, instead of my working hours being 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., I'm only going to work for up until 12 p.m. So I'm just going to adjust the hour. And then I'm going to choose 12 p.m. and then I'm going to click on apply. So the system will know that on July 30, I'm only available up until 12 p.m. and after 12 p.m. I won't be available anymore. So it's as easy as that. Thanks for watching.